Hello, my name is Denise Garofalo. I'm the personal librarian for your learning community, and this brief tutorial is going to give you an overview of library resources that you can use for your learning community or any of your other classes at the Mount. The URL for our research guide, as you can see, is up here in the URL bar of the browser. And the landing page gives you some background information about personal librarians. On the left-hand side, you can see the navigation links to everything from citation help, finding books and articles, links on websites, including information on primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, ebooks, videos, apps, and so on. I'm going to take a step back and go over our resources that are on the main library website, which you can get to from the breadcrumb link on this research guide. So when we go to the library website, you see we have links to things such as the eClass portal for the Mount, the login for our paper management system, PaperCut. Also links to things such as Find Information, where you can find broader information, help such as research guides, technology guides, and so on, even links to the Writing Center. Services, in particular the services for students I want to point out. So if we go to that page, you can see that by scrolling down, we have Zoom rooms and group viewing areas if you have classes that are being held on Zoom, information on borrowing library materials, requesting help, reserving study rooms, which is something that many students want to do when they come to the library. You can do that before you come to the library. In fact, if you click on that, you come to this screen, and with booking a room and then book a study room, and from the drop down selecting study rooms, you will get an overview of what rooms are available. Those in green are still bookable, those in red are not, and you can also select dates ahead of the current date and see what availability is. As you can see, 2 days from the date that this tutorial is being made, there's plenty of times that are available. So again, that's available from the library website under Services for Students. Thank you.